Hey, travel lovers! Looking for something that feels like a five-star New York experience without breaking the bank? I've got 3 hidden gem 4-star hotels that deliver all the luxe vibes. Stay tuned, you're about to discover why these spots should be on your radar. Number 1. Radio Hotel, Washington Heights. First up, Radio Hotel, perched in vibrant Washington Heights. Just a 5-minute walk from 181st Street subway with 171 stylish rooms and a courtyard lounge perfect for unwinding. Feel those tropical island vibes? That's thanks to El Patio, the hotel's buzzing outdoor hangout, and daily Dominican-inspired cocktails or mocktails included with the amenity fee. Admissions rave about the friendly staff, continental breakfast, valet parking option, and sleek gym. It's ideal if you're visiting Yankee Stadium, Columbia, or the Bronx Zoo, all just a short drive away. Why stay? A fresh, offbeat boutique vibe that blends local flavor with Caribbean flair without sacrificing comfort or location. Number 2. Hotel Hendricks, Midtown Manhattan. Amazing thing about Hotel Hendricks, in case you book directly, you can get amazing discounts, which is mentioned on their website. This beautifully styled 176-room property features interiors by the celebrated designer Marcello Pozzi, Lou's Waterworks baths, and a hidden garden perfect for calm escapes in the city. Don't miss Daintree, their rooftop bar, highly popular with locals and guests alike, for skyline views and good vibes. Inside, expect plush beds, free Wi-Fi, smart TVs, coffee tea makers, and concierge services, plus a Latin American restaurant on site. You think? Why stay here? Because it fuses central location with sophisticated design. Everyone gets that elevated New York psyche experience. Number 3. Hotel Edison Times Square. Finally, Hotel Edison, a true Times Square icon since 1931. Its opening lights were famously switched on by none other than Thomas Edison. Step into Art Deco charm, the lobby murals, historic ballroom, once a Broadway theater, and regular wine and cheese events keep its golden age spirit alive. Rooms include updated signature collection options with free Wi-Fi, plus classic rooms for the savvy traveler. Some rooms even offer classic Times Square views. And yes, the hallway before Luca Brasi's murder in The Godfather, the penthouse in Bullets Over Broadway, and a cameo in Birdman were all filmed right here. Why stay here? Because it's steeped in New York City entertainment history, right in the heart of Broadway, with polished interiors and unbeatable energy. Quick recap. Radio Hotel brings Caribbean flair boutique comfort in Washington Heights. Hotel Hendricks delivers modern chic and serene rooftop luxury in Midtown, and Hotel Edison immerses you in iconic Art Deco cinema vibes right at the center of Times Square. Thinking of making one your base in NYC? Whether you need help booking flights, hotels, or planning the perfect itinerary, drop us an email at hello@abdulconnects.com or visit abdulconnects.com. We'd love to help make your trip unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more travel gems, and hit the bell to explore more hidden luxury in major cities.